The people trying to intimidate NUP for involving the elders from Teso in the issue of compensation should desist from peddling lies and those tactics. These old men have been demanding compensation from 2012 when they won their cases. But the question about compensation can be traced back up to 1993. For all this time, where were they to honestly meet the question of compensation and give it its answers? Stop lying, people, that Teso, with all its borders, is purely NRM. That is a very big total lie. 90% of you who are now saying you are more NRM than those who went to the bush, once upon a time you were in UPC and you were in NRM recently. Some of you were in FDC and you simply were in NRM of recent. You are not yet even acquainted of the real vision and the objective of the formation of NRM. Unfortunately, while you joined NRM recently, you now protrude yourself like you are the alpha and omega of NRM. That is a lie. Between 1981 and 1986, when NRM plundered this country fighting a legitimate government, Teso was purely a UPC stronghold. Between 1986 and 1993 or 5, in the Constituent Assembly, still Teso was purely UPC. Trace back and ask yourself why UPA fought NRA in Teso. Who are the UPA people today? They are still here, and some of them are claimants of that. Between 2000 and 2005, we had reform agenda and they swept the whole of Teso. Where was NRM? Between 2005 and 2011, it was FDC. Where was NRM? It is until you were able to pick a few influential brothers and sisters in Teso, gave them money, coerced them, actually intimidated them. Some of them were arrested, some of them were promised death, and they accepted to work for NRM. So we know, even when they speak for NRM, they are pretending they are not fully NRM. They have simply tried to do that to support and protect themselves. But Teso, for your own information, has never been 100% NRM, and it will never be NRM until we see to it that those who are in charge have answered the question of equality and equity in whatever they do. Even if NUP took over today or tomorrow and they fail to answer the question of democracy, accountability, and equity, we will still oppose. So it is not about political belonging, it's about justice and the rule of law and how you dispense what you dispense. So let us be guided. Nobody should lie anyone that NUP is not welcome to Teso. We have very independent minds. Not everybody here has been manipulated. No, some of us know our right and our history and where we belong as a people of the Arctic. I want us to be informed. Please